everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm actually to do a demo of as if I were to do a trade-in on my vehicle and see how much Tesla is giving me and what steps needs to be taken. So just follow me. So you log into your account first thing, and of course I'm gonna block out some of my personal information. Alright, so once you get in here, so you can go to actually vehicle, you go to vehicle and then you go to trade in. Okay, so if it's your first time, you're gonna have to enter the VIN number since I've done it many times already. So I just double click on it and then it'll give you like my latest one, and then you just hit next. And if it's your first time, then again, it's going to ask you a question as well too. So here again, I don't know, for some reason it's asking for my login and my password again. So we're going to go through that. But it's going to ask you like for your personal stuff, like your car, your any accident, the conditions, and what's the odometer. The odometer, it's already there because it's because they know. So and then it asks you if you wanna buy like another Tesla or something. So in this case, maybe I just say Cybertruck, okay, and we'll see what happens. All right, so as you can see right here, the trade-in value for as of today, December 21st, 2027, for $37,700 for a 2023 Tesla Model Y long-range all-wheel drive. With the 9,394 miles on it, and accident note like new. And again, this one, it doesn't really matter what color I have, because in my case, you know, I have a red color, and I don't think it even consider that as even though I paid $2,000 more for it. But yeah, so that's how you do the trade-in, and that's again my suggestion is if you're gonna sell your car, it's better that you try to sell it to a third party. But if you don't want the hassle, then you can go with Tesla, or you can go with CarMax, or you can go with who knows, Carvana if they're still in the business. But yeah, but if you want hassle-free, Tesla is the way to do it. But if you want to make some more money, then go with private party. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave in a comment below. But other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.